Hello, this is Lyle Alexander, and today I want to invite you to come along with the best savings business in the world. You can get savings and cash back at thousands of online retailers, and you can save up to 75% on 1 million hotel rooms and condos. And you can save on cars, insurance, and online shopping. And get unlimited income potential, and it's all yours for the price of a pizza. You can get started for just $20. So in the description, click the links and get all the details. Get started for as little as $20 right now. There are other options that you'll see on the website for getting started. So I invite you to come along and come along for the savings with us. It doesn't matter what you're doing in the realm of business today or life. Everyone loves savings, so come along and get your savings right now. Click the link in the description below. Have a great day.